Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have an exciting topic for all the photographers out there. We'll be diving into the world of photo repair software, exploring how these powerful tools can breathe new life into your cherished memories. Whether your photos are faded, damaged, or have seen better days, photo repair software can work wonders. We'll be covering the top features to look for, how to use them effectively, and of course, showcasing some before and after examples to highlight the transformative power of these tools. So, when it comes to choosing the right photo repair software, what features should you be on the lookout for? First and foremost, a user-friendly interface is key. You want a tool that's intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you are not a professional photographer. Additionally, look for features. These features will save you time and help you achieve stunning results with minimum effort. Now let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial using 4DDIG photo repair software. I'll show you how to repair an old damaged photo from start to finish, how to fix the errors, and how to colorize your photos, along as we bring back the vibrancy and clarity to the cherished memories. So as you can see here, I am going to download this image here. So first of all, let's download this image here and then start the process. As you can see, I am going to add the D in D partition, and you can see the name and title of the picture. As you can see, I have downloaded this one and it is corrupted here and it is not opening by some error. And I am going to add this same file here, and here you can see photo repair completes. You just need to start repair option, and in 1 minute and it will repair. Then you can easily export it into your PC. So the next option is to enhance the photo quality. You can improve your unclear or blurry photos to the Ultra HD. So if I click on this start button, I have to add this photo here. As you can see, it is of low quality. And click OK. Here you can select the AI model like general model. You can also denoise or model and face model. So I click on this general model, and you can select the resolution to 2x, 4x, 1x and custom. If I click on this 4x enhanced option and I click on this preview button, so here you can see its before and after look, and check here the resolution is very low here in the before, and in the after section you can see the Ultra HD image here. You can clearly see the difference here, how much resoluted the picture is, and you can export it into your PC easily. The next option is to colorize photo. You can even colorize the black and white photo here and cherish your previous memories. Here you have to just drag and drop a image here that is of black and white tone. As you can see, I have selected this one. You can also add your old memory picture here and then colorize it easily. You can also select the resolution here, and you can also on the face detection and then click on this preview button. Here you can see it has colorized the image very perfectly here, and you can also see the before and after look. Then you can export it into your PC. So this is the movement you have all been waiting for, the before and after showcase. I have prepared a few examples to demonstrate the incredible transformations possible with photo repair software. And there you have it. Photo repair software is a game changer when it comes to preserving and enhancing your precious memories, whether you are a hobbyist or a professional. These tools can make a significant difference in the quality and longevity of your photos. Don't forget to like this video if you found this video helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.